Hi folks, Colin here, good to see you back for more rock and roll. This week I'm going to show you a really useful sort of device which, if you can actually be aware of this when you're playing chords, will actually help with your lead playing quite a lot as well. So if I'm in the key of C, that's kind of the riff that's quite familiar. It's a classic rock and roll riff. And the way it works is, when I'm playing that C chord using my A bar shape, got my root on the third string, that is the note of C that gives the chord its name. And all I'm doing is I'm playing the major pentatonic scale over that. Now when you're in that A-shaped bar chord, this part of the chord is actually the bottom of the pattern 1 of the pentatonic scale. Major pentatonic. So you can sort of use this as a means to find that pattern 1 scale. So we're playing this C chord. Now that is the sort of riff for slow down, but you can hear it. You hear that kind of thing all the time in rock and roll. And so basically that was a C chord. So whenever you're playing that bar chord, A-shaped bar chord, like that, be aware you've got a pattern 1 pentatonic scale above it. And the kind of same idea works over when you've got, say we're going to the 4 chord, in this case F. Now our root is on the first string. Same idea. So this time we're actually in pattern 2, slide into pattern 3, which is the bottom part of pattern 3 scale is quite useful because everything would be on the 3rd and the 5th fret. So you've got your F on the 1st fret, then you've got your G, A, then you've got your C, D, then you've got your F, and then G. So the riff kind of works like this. That's C, F, same move, back to C, G, F, back to C. So I've got lots of these tricks that can help you for your lead playing and being able to understand how the fretboard works, because obviously that idea, if you moved it up to D, same thing. So all these ideas are movable up the neck. Once you get that kind of principle, the guitar becomes a lot easier and you learn how to play solos no problem. You can solo, improvise to your heart's content because you're always in key when you're following the chords like that. If you're interested in finding out more about this, I'm going to be doing workshops on a Saturday morning, and I'm going to put a link in the description. It's a Zoom group call, and it's just that you turn up for an hour on a Saturday morning and I'll go through lots of these concepts. And then it's amazing how quickly you can get the hang of the guitar when you actually tune into stuff like that, because there aren't that many concepts that are critical to understanding how to play in key and how to navigate the fretboard. But they are a little bit tricky because there's more than one thing usually happening at the same time. And when you watch a video, you always get one concept, but you actually have to be aware of multiple concepts at the same time to really kind of nail it. And that's when a little bit of guidance comes in, and working with other people and seeing other people and getting questions and things like that really helps. So I hope to see you in the Zoom call. But anyway, I'll be back next week with more rock and roll. Keep rocking, and I'll see you then.